Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Polygon is still moving in a sideways range, and yeah, as I said in previous videos already, this is nothing, there's nothing impulsive at all that's pointing towards the upside really, okay? So there's nothing that's giving us confidence that really a more bullish interpretation is required. I mean, the most bullish one that I can see from here is that a larger B wave is unfolding as per the white scenario, which still would overall allow for lower prices in a complex corrective structure, in which this here would have been an X wave high, this swing high in August, and now we're working on like an A, B, C structure in wave Z. And then the B wave itself is like an A, B, C structure. So very complex. Bottom line is there is some structural support in this area down here. We could even sort of add a trend line. I mean, the price is currently holding that support area down there. These structural support levels around like 36, 35, 34 cents. We're holding above it, but that doesn't mean it's bullish. I mean, it's like there's no reaction at all, right? Like nothing noteworthy really. Of course, you can always get a little pump like this, but this is not necessarily bullish. This was also just a three-wave move. So these micro pumps, they can happen in crypto quite frequently. The problem that we're dealing with is that the rally from the October low, if you want to call it a rally, actually the reaction rather to the October low is just corrective. So the first resistance area that is relevant is here located between 39.3 and 42.2 cents, and the price hasn't even reached it yet. So this resistance area, yeah, could pretty much keep the pressure down. And because the reaction is so weak, and because the rallies recently actually from the August low to the upside, they have all been just corrective, it looks more like the yellow count. I mean, you see that. I mean, the movements to the downside, they have been quite rapid, whereas here the rallies, with the exception of that pump, but they've been quite weak. Okay, so a different angle, and it just indicates, I think, that this downtrend isn't over, at least not clearly yet, and it would require a break above a key pivot, which is at 42.2 cents, to indicate that at least the white wave C to the upside is unfolding, which is a little bit more bullish, but also not really bullish. Okay, it would just mean it's a larger ABC instead of wave B already completed. For now, it seems a little bit more likely that this is the yellow count, I have to say, at least based on the microstructure and what we're seeing right now. So I would really want to see more upside momentum and a break above 42.2 cents to suggest that we are in white wave C, okay? Because white wave C would also be a 5-wave move. I just don't see, not even on the micro level, any attempt to form that C wave up. For now, I'm watching the resistance area, and that's not even reached yet. So the price is likely working on this kind of a B wave rally to the upside, we could add, for example, yeah, let me change the wave degree, then we can add some microstructures to this. So if we say we are now in this B wave, I mean, then the question is, okay, was the low here maybe, or was it actually here? I would probably prefer to put the A wave here on the 1st of October. And then this is like an A wave up, a B wave down, and we're now moving up in wave C. And it could be this could be a C wave in 5 waves or something, like one, oops, 1 second. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. This is possible. Might also just be a W, X, Y. There are many options, but essentially, we are moving up in very, very corrective looking structures, and yeah, I would expect the reaction in the resistance area. But if we start to see an uptick in momentum in the resistance area and it doesn't react at all, then we can consider that it might be the white count, which is a little bit more bullish in the short term, but that's still far away from really a bullish assessment. So that's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.